Let's look at how to change your Gmail password on mobile. Changing your Gmail password on a mobile device without the old password is a straightforward process. Follow these steps. Step 1. Launch the Gmail app on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, to open the side menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Step 3. Choose the Gmail account for which you want to change the password. Step 4. Look for the Security or Security and Privacy section. Select Password or a similar option. Step 5. Depending on your device, you may need to verify your identity using your fingerprint, face recognition, or another method. Step 6. Once verified, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Input a strong, secure password and save the changes. Your Gmail password is now updated. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips, or visit workspacetips.io.